everyone. And so type 1 naman kung malinaw ako ngayon, yung audio and yung video ko. And I'm very, very much excited for this night. Yan, so type 1, type 1. So 76 participants tayo, so konti na lang, di ba? Ang available, ayan, marami pa papasok sa Zoom natin. And I want to congratulate everyone na naka-attend kayo tonight. Yan sa ating Quantum Prime Verse. Yan. So, gusto ko malaman kung taga saan. Ayan, taga saan po kayo. So, please chat in your location right now. Ayan, sa chat box natin. And maganda yan kasi syempre kapag marami tayong traders, yan, dyan sa lugar ninyo ay pupuntahan ko yan. Yan, so agree ba kayo doon? So nakikita niyo yung mga post ko na talagang pinupuntahan natin yung mga traders natin. 'Di ba? So grabe, Eastern Samar, Cavite, Laguna, Taiwan. Yan, so Dubai, Bulacan, Palawan. Oy, pumunta ka sa Palawan ha, kita-kits. So Cavite, Caloocan, Pasay, ayan, Pangasinan. Ayan. So 'di ba nakikita ninyo na ang dami talaga, no? So we are worldwide. Yan. So up to 100 participants lang po yung Zoom natin ngayon. So ngayon nag-notify na siya sa akin na we are almost full. Yan. So we can only accommodate 19 more people. Yan. So if you have friends na alam nyo, yan, na excited sila for this exclusive deal, yan. So message them now kasi kapag napuno tong Zoom na to, unless merong isang ma-brown out, di ba? Ay hindi na po sila makakapasok. Yan. And hindi nila malalaman kung ano yung ating mga exclusive deal tonight. Yon. So shout out sa ating 82 participants. Yan. So grabe 9-11, no? So you guys are on time yan. So congratulations. So um konting house rules lang tayo. Yan, please keep yourselves on mute. Yan, para hindi natin ma-distract yung mga speakers natin tonight. Yan, and patulong na lang din ako sa mga admins natin na mag-mute ng participants. Yan. And gusto ko lang malaman, no? So since this is about forex trading, so kung meron mang nag-send sa'yo ng Zoom call na to at hindi mo alam kung anong meron, diba? So baka sinendan ka lang ng link at hindi mo naman naiintindihan kung para saan ba to. Ayan. So this is all about forex crypto trading. Okay? So yun yung main na products na tinitrade natin. And we trade CFD. Yan. So contract for difference. Ibig sabihin, we are, kumaga, sumasabay tayo sa taas o baba ng market. Okay? To earn dollars. Yan. At to encourage yan, kung first time mo lang na makita ang forex trading. Yan. So type good news. Yan. Type good news nga guys. Type good news. Kasi I want to see sino dito yung gusto mo ng sobrang daming good news tonight. Yan. So type good news. Yan. So gabi guys, we are almost full. So it's 88 na. So meron pa yung mga friends. Nako, hindi na sila makakapasok once we're full. Yan. So sinadya natin yan. Meron tayong Zoom na 500 participants. Pero sinadya talaga natin yan kasi we really want you to experience this. Yan. Na ikaw yung unang-unang makaka-experience ng ating Quantum Prime Verse. Yan. And type blessed nga if you are feeling blessed tonight na grabe nakapasok ka dito. Diba? Nakapasok ka dito sa exclusive deal natin. Yan, na partnership natin. And I'm very, very, very much excited for everyone here. Yan. So, dahil nag-type kayo ng good news, okay, natatawa lang ako kasi nagna-notify yung Zoom. And sinasabi niya sa akin na we are almost full. Yan. So 91 participants na tayo. And so yun yan, nag-type kayo ng good news. Okay, so ito talaga yung good news. Okay, so meron akong ipapakita sa inyo kung ready na kayo. Isa to, no? Isa to sa mga good news. Para syempre, kumbaga, ma-motivate naman kayo, 'di ba? Ano ba yung forex trading na 'yan? Okay, so for those of you who don't know me, okay, pakilala mo na pala ako, no. So I'm Coach Lee, and just call me Coach Lee. And nag-start akong mag-trading around 4 or 5 years ago sa crypto. Yan, so nag-NFT din ako. So spot trading lang talaga ginagawa ko before. And I found Forex last year. Okay, so more than a year pa lang ako sa Forex trading. Pero dito talaga, nagkaroon ng breakthrough yung buhay ko. And nung time na nawalan ako ng work, hindi na ako nag-apply. At finul time ko na yung pagiging Forex trader. Okay? And bakit ko naman siya finul time? So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung gaano ba talaga kalaki, okay, ang pwedeng kitain sa forex trading. Ayan, so i-type nyo nga, sige nga, sa mga sa mga ano natin, traders natin dito, no. So, type in magkano ba? Ayan, magkano ba 'yan, Coach Lee, ang pwede nating kitain diyan. So, ito i-share ko na lang sa inyo, no. So, isa sa mommy trader natin, ayan, isa sa mommy trader natin sa team, okay, nag-chat siya sa akin. Okay, so ito yung chat niya. So sabi niya, last August po, ayan, nag-deposit sila ng 2,400 pesos. At sumabay sila sa NFP, which is news. So siya, tsaka yung asawa niya, meron silang background naman na sa trading. Okay, pero sabi niya nga sa akin ay nalolos daw sila. Okay, kumbaga nag-stop sila kasi hindi na nila kaya yung big loss. Okay? So nung nakita niya yung mga videos ko sa TikTok at saka sa Facebook, kumbaga nagkaroon siya ng inspiration ulit. Okay na, subukan nila. What if magtaya ulit, what if mag-risk ulit kami ng 2,500 pesos? And alam niyo ba kung ano nangyari doon sa 2,500 na yon? Ayan na. So guys, no hype to. Totoong story talaga to, no? So never ako magkikwento sa inyo ng hindi totoo. So nangyari noon ay naging 670,000 pesos yan. Okay? So this is unusual. Okay? Kasi meron ako mga kilalang traders na they've been trading for 5 years, 10 years at hindi pa sila kumikita ng kalahating milyon. Okay? So, wag mong i-expect din na pagpasok mo dito ay kalahating milyon agad. Okay? I'm just telling you this story kasi alam ko, gusto ko ma-inspire ka na gaano ba talaga kalaki yung pwede talagang kitain dito. Okay? So, sabi niya dito na sobrang thank you ako kay God. Yan. At na-inspire ako sa'yo. Yan, nakita niya kasi mga videos ko, so na-inspire siya na mag-trade. Okay, so sabi niya gusto niya din daw mag-give back sa parents niya. Yan, na mailibre din yung mama niya, di ba, yung papa niya. So, meron din akong traders, okay, na grabe, no? Meron din akong trader from Mindanao. Ayan, so dito mga taga Mindanao. Ayan, so type Mindanao. Okay, type Mindanao. Na yung trader ko from Mindanao, okay, kasama ko siya last year pa. Okay, so hindi niya talaga ako iniiwan. Yan, mahal na mahal niya ako kahit never pa kaming nagkita. Okay? And yung trader ko na yun, grabe guys, no? Kumita siya ng 500,000 in just 2 days. Okay? And ang maganda dito guys, no, sa forex trading, mawi-withdraw mo agad siya. Okay? Siguro kung ako yung nasa lugar ninyo at napapanood ko itong Zoom na to, maybe mapapaisip na ako na parang scam ba to? Di ba? Bakit ang dami namang perang pinag-uusapan dito? Okay? But I want you to realize na um, forex trading, guys, no, it's a legit platform. So, ang tinitrade po natin dito ay mga currencies ng iba't ibang bansa. Okay? And we also trade commodities. Yung favorite natin is gold. So, if you're following yung presyo ngayon ng gold, makikita mo talaga na pataas talaga siya ng pataas. Okay? Pero may mga times din na bumababa yung presyo niya. So, ang maganda sa forex trading, umakyat man or bumaba man yung presyo, meron at meron tayong makukuhang dollars doon. Okay? Pag tumama yung analysis natin. So, when it comes to analysis, kailangan mong pag-aralan yan. Kailangan nakasunod ka sa news. Kailangan marunong ka ng mga technical analysis. Kailangan nababasa mo yung mga sentiments ng tao. So, you need time. Okay? You need time and knowledge. So what if sobrang busy mo? Okay? So dito yung busy. Merong work, merong anak, merong business. Ayan, type busy nga. Now, I'm sure, no, dito sa 97 participants natin, okay, most of you guys are working, okay, or busy. Okay, super busy pa nga, sabi ni Steph. And you don't have time na tumutok talaga sa charts. Okay, kagaya ng mga full-time trader na meron talagang time na tumutok sa charts. So that's why we have the platform, okay, and we have created the community, which is Quantum Traders, to help you guys, tama, na makakurot kayo sa market kahit na sobrang busy ninyo. Okay? That's the reason why we have the signals. Okay, so ano yung signal? Kami na yung nag-analyze, yung mga coaches na yung nag-analyze, susundan mo na lang. Ano yung live trading? Meron kang sinusundan na coach sa Zoom, susundan mo na lang siya. Okay? So that's why we have those programs. Bakit tayo may mga modules na 2 to 5 minutes lang? Okay? Kasi these are the modules na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo kahit na on the way ka sa work, kahit na nakasakay ka sa FX, nakasakay ka sa van, pwede mong panoorin yung mga modules na yon. Okay? So, yun yung reason, diba? Yun yung reason kung bakit meron tayong ganitong ginawang platform. Okay? It's because to help you guys. Kasi kung mapapansin ninyo, yung traditional way of forex trading before, tuturuan ka lang talaga sa market. Okay? Tuturuan ka, mag-aaral ka for like 3 months, magbabayad ka ng 100,000. Yun yung dati, no? Nung wala pang mga AI. At pag natuto ka na, bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Diba? Bahala ka na talaga. Okay, so guys, we have reached our 100 participants right now. Ayan, type 100 nga. Ayan. So may mga nawawala, siguro wala na signal. No? So sana makabalik sila. So, grabe. Okay, so huwag kayong aalis sa Zoom, ha? Huwag kayong kukurap kasi mawawala kayo. Naku, hindi kayo makakasali sa ating sa ating good news. Okay? So, ready na ba kayo? Ayan, type ready nga. Okay, type ready. Kung ready na tayong makita yung bagong-bagong platform natin. Okay? Na ilo-launch natin tonight. Okay, so it's a Sunday. So kung tataka kayo, ano ba yung Quantum Prime Verse? Yan. Okay, so I'm always on the lookout kung ano yung magiging best opportunity for our community. Okay? So ang goal ko talaga ay yung tipong nag-iisang milyon kayong lahat. Okay ba yan? Okay ba yun? Type millions. Yan, type millions kung gusto mo na kumita ka rin ng 1 milyon sa trading. Okay, baka may nagtatanong diyan. Coach Lee, nagtatanong ka ng 1 milyon, kumita ka na ba ng 1 milyon sa trading? Oo naman. Okay, so my highest earnings sa trading is 1 million in 1 month. Yan. So, possible ba siya sa forex trading lang? Yes. Okay? So, may other income pa ba sa forex trading? Yes. Okay, so yun yung maganda, okay, na ipapakita namin sa inyo ngayon. Ano ba itong tools na pwede mong ma-maximize as a busy person? And shout out sa 100 participants ngayon. Sinong pwedeng mag-screenshot nito? Ayan, screenshot nyo na lang sa mga naka-PC tapos bigyan nyo sa akin. And we're very fortunate, okay, na isang CEO, okay, and previous COO of different companies, okay, right now is in partnership with our team. Okay? So this person, okay, na magpapakita sa atin ng good news na to, no, is a Filipino na nasa Canada. And he's been supporting a lot of traders for so many years right now. Okay? At ang maganda pa dito, tayo yung napili niya, okay, na unang-unang magla-launch dito sa Philippines. Yan. Are you guys grateful? Yan. Are you guys proud of our community? Yan. So, type grateful nga. Yan. Yung proud ka talaga na kasali ka dito. Oh my God. Diba? This is the first time, diba, that we will be launching this in the Philippines. Imagine. And someone who's earning millions right now in Canada, ayan, Canadian dollars yung millions niya, ayan, is willing to be in partnership with us and to help us to be more profitable sa forex trading. Okay? So hindi ako magtuturo ngayon ng forex trading. So if you're someone na gusto mong matuto ng forex trading, relax ka lang kasi papakita namin sa'yo. kung paano mo to matututunan, and we will give you all the tools, diba, na kailangan mo. Ayan. At ipapakita siya ngayon ng ating guest speaker. So if you guys are ready, ayan, so I want you to welcome this new new manager in our team. Okay, and I'm very very um proud, okay, sa trust and sa support and to all the love and support na pinapakita nito sa team natin. And so without further ado, then let's all welcome Sir Andrew Santiago.
Yon, thank you, Coach Lee. Hello, everybody. Good evening dyan sa
All
inyo.
right.
Can you guys hear me okay? Rinig
Yes,
ba ako?
yes.
Yan.
Okay, so
Okay.
wait
Hopefully,
lang.
you guys hear me.
Alright, spotlight lang kayo. Yun.
Yon. Hello, everyone. I want to quickly understand lang, experience-wise, sino yung beginner, sino yung intermediate, sino yung mga advanced na dito in the trading space. Okay lang, guys, patay. Para at least alam ko, terms-wise, ano yung gagamitin natin. Ayan. Okay, so mostly beginner talaga is what I'm seeing here. Okay, so welcome to the trading world. Thank you, Coach Lee, as well. I appreciate the partnership, Coach Joey. Nakita ko din nandito siya. Thank you guys for the partnership. Like sabi nga ni Coach Lee, we are about to launch something massive in the Philippines. It's already been going crazy dito sa Canada, sa North America, sa Europe, and then all that's left is to conquer Philippines. So
Nag-appeal
there
ka sa
are,
kwan?
yon, tumbit
Kang
na lang
Coach
guys.
Lee, Coach Lee?
Attend kayo. Full na ang room.
Na, na, na,
There are three things that I want to share with you guys. Can you guys see this? Number
na,
one,
na,
the trading ecosystem
nagkwan sa
na
marin?
responsible for $10 million trading profit so far this year. Okay, sinong gustong matutunan yon? Lahat ng sasabihin kong figure today will be purely in dollars. Okay, hindi ko alam yung PHP nito. Pero $10 million in trading profit so far has been withdrawn from our community so far in the last, what is it? Like 10 months pa lang, right? Kakasimula pa lang ng taon. So, sino gusto kumurot dito ng 10 from $10 million? Okay, type naman ng 10M dyan. Yon. Okay, so maraming gusto matuto. So, second is how you can build the high income skill set of trading. So, paano nga ba matututo ka how to trade? And syempre, yung no BS blueprint to success in trading. Number one, first, I want to introduce myself, guys, again. My name is Andrew. I'm the regional manager for PU Prime Canada. And I've been doing this for, the last 5 years when it comes to like building businesses and syempre entrepreneurship then. And we built something massive dito in terms of what we are launching with Primeverse. Okay, so one of the main things that obviously, like I said, is one, the layout right now in Forex, syempre, most of the time you will typically have to pay for courses. Ito yung mga choices if you wanna learn Forex trading. So far, pwede ka naman mag-YouTube. Okay, libre lang pero ang kalat niya. Okay, so sobrang dami, hindi mo alam kung sino yung susundan. Second, pwede ka magbayad ng mga courses. Okay, courses na minsan 50,000 pesos pa nga, 30,000 pesos. Alam ko si Coach Lee nagbayad siya ng 35K. Tama ba yun? 35K para lang matuto. Tama ba yung Coach Lee?
Yes po, yes.
And then so far, like, how was that experience for you? Like, worth it naman, 35K wise?
Well, for me, ako talaga siya. I have the time. But other
Mm-mm.
people, hindi talaga nila na-maximize yun.
Yeah. So,
Mm-mm.
35K, di ba? Or, alam ko, meron pang mga nag-charge ng 100K, 200K pesos
Yes.
dyan, nakita ko, di ba? So, iba-iba
Mm-mm.
talaga. So, two, that's something na hindi talaga afford for a lot of people. Syempre, not everyone can afford yung 350K. 350K, tama ba yun? 350K, totoo ba yan? Okay. May pa 350K pa. Number one, hindi talaga afford yung ganong quality of education. Pero ito yung one big belief namin when it comes sa Primeverse. Education should not be a privilege. It should be something na binibigay natin sa lahat kasi someone's capability na matuto to have a high income skill set like trading, it should not be based on sa ano yung afford mo. Tama, it should be given to everyone. And that's why the platform I'm about to share with you is 100% free. Guys, the system that's again responsible for $10 million in trading profit, everything I will share with you is completely free for you to take advantage of. Okay, I challenge anyone in the space, any platform, any community, number for number, they will not beat the level of trading profits that our community has withdrawn. 10 million USD yan. And I'll show you. So let me go over exactly what the platform is. Siyempre, what is Primeverse? Okay, so let me introduce to you guys the back end of Primeverse. So this is Primeverse. Primeverse is created siya dahil siyempre it was born out of necessity talaga. Kasi we've seen so many platforms na siyempre pagkabayad mo, hindi ka na natutulungan or you don't get the value na kailangan mo from it. Marami dyan. I used to be in the high ticket space world we were charging $10,000, $25,000 for coaching, for courses, for mentorship. Guys, dollars ha. 10, 25K. Okay, gawin nyo na lang yung math. Magkano ba yun? Kailangan ng PHP translator. So, obviously, we needed to create something na syempre, our country, like siguro like Philippines, Mexico, yung hindi yung mga afford yung ganong level of pricing is pwede talaga nila matutunan yung skill set of trading. So that's why we created Primeverse. So this is Primeverse. Meron tayong website, meron tayong phone application as well. So nandito na lahat. This whole ecosystem, again, from the top here, go over ko lang really quick what's in here. First, obviously, yung welcome page natin. How to get started, newsfeed, live session. So, 3 key things. So, tatlo lang 3 main things that we really focused on dito sa Primeverse. Syempre, 1 is yung live education. Second is yung courses. And syempre, third is yung mga applications natin to help you na maging profitable palalo and ma-shorten yung gap mo when it comes to trading and becoming profitable. Yun naman yun talaga di ba? It's giving you the best environment para matuto ka as fast as possible. So let's go over really quickly here on the trading floor. So trading floor, marami tayong live sessions. So live sessions every single day from Monday to Friday. Marami tayong Tagalog traders actually. We have marker Tagalog trading. Adding more, syempre may mga English tayo. So yung platform natin guys, hindi lang simply for Filipinos, 'di ba? We have different we have different people from every part of the world. We have some from Spain, Norwegian, Mexicans. Okay, so iba-iba talaga. So this is a global platform. Okay, hindi lang to local to Filipinos. Pero syempre, marami tayong mga Filipino in here. So that's why we have a lot of educators as well. Kung naka-join ka last week, we had a training from Manuel. Manuel made 65,000 USD last this month lang. 'Di ba? And he shared yung mga strategy. So imagine mo, natututo ka from someone, magkano yun in Philippine peso? I think 1 million plus, no? Like almost 2 million ba yun? Magkano ba yun, Coach Lee?
65,000?
USD, oo.
Grabe. Sige lang.
Calculate nga natin. Baka
Hindi
kailangan natin
That's 3.8 million.
i-translate 3.8 million. Okay.
Yes.
3.8 million. Okay, para na lang madali din. Imat nga natin yung $10 million natin this year. So $10 million pala is tingnan natin to. Okay. Kalahating billion pala yun. Okay, kalahating billion yung trading profit ng clients namin this year. Ayan, how about that? Mas maganda pala pakinggan sa PHP, no? Ano na lang, ayan, 600 million. Okay ba yun? Pwede na. So, mas nagbe-make sense pala, no, pag Philippine peso. So, that's the level of caliber talaga ng mga trainers natin dito inside of Primeverse. Okay, so, sino excited maka-attend ng mga live session na yung mga nagtuturo sa'yo, kumikita ng million-million, pwede ka ng anak ng contractor, daig mo pa yung contractor. Okay, ito lang yung contractor na legit. Okay, contract for difference talaga. Ito yung legit na pwedeng mangyari. So, syempre, like sabi nga ni Coach Lee din as well, para sa mga walang time, you can also do copy-paste trading, which is, syempre, nagsasend yung team natin. We have experts here sending yung mga ganung trade alerts. These are people na I know talagang profitable that we have vetted. Okay? Talagang vetted to mga to. Every single week, meron tayong track record na lumalabas. Every single month, talagang, ayun nga, 100 pips. Okay, so syempre, hindi naman 100% win rate. Okay, at the disclaimer lang, hindi to financial advice. Okay, yung mga nandito, it's at your own risk. These are only trade ideas from our experts. Okay, wins in progress. Review natin ha, para lang ma-realize niyo kung gaano to ka possible. Okay, hindi lang isa yung nakakagawa nito, hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang tatlo, hindi lang 10. Okay, tingnan nyo ha, itong post na to 32 minutes ago. Okay, anong oras ngayon? So, nag-start tayo 35 minutes ago. Tingnan nyo na lang. Kaka-post lang nito. Someone flipped from, ewan ko kung anong start nito, pero kita nyo naman, 34,000 US dollars yung profit niya right now. So, 34K, magkano yun? Ayan, so 2 million. Okay, good morning. Good morning dito sa atin. So, naka 1.9 million na agad siya morning pa lang. So, as you can see, daming nananalo. You could scroll here for days. Essentially, every single day may nagpo-post dyan from our team that they're winning, obviously. So, Trading Lab. So, again, bilisan ko lang ng konti. Prime Academy. Hindi ko na i-full overview to kasi I'm excited to get you guys inside of Primeverse. Okay? So, sinong excited so far na maka-enter ng Primeverse so far with the live session, with the trade alerts? Sino excited dyan? Okay, so syempre, hindi pa tayo tapos. Kung titingnan nyo, parang 1/4 pa lang yung nag-over natin. Madami-dami pa to. Ayan. Pero mabilis lang. So Prime Academy, ito mga intro course, foundation course, advanced course. So ito in multiple languages tayo. Tagalog, we have a full-on Tagalog. Our educator na gumawa ng course natin, ito guys, again, lahat ng mga nagtuturo, yung level and caliber of the people that we have teaching here is next level. Okay? Si Mark. Mark Kenneth, if you see him in social media, if you see him, this guy earns multiple five figures every single month sa trading. So, that's 7 figures a month then in millions. Ay, 7 figure a month in PHP, okay, in Philippine peso. And he's the one doing our courses for Tagalog. So, hopefully, you guys look forward to this full-on Tagalog course to na nandito. Ibang level talaga yung quality na meron tayo, hindi lang YouTube. Guys, yung mga nagcha-charge ng mga 100, 200, 300K, I guarantee you, our traders who are teaching here are 100% more profitable than a lot of the people out there. Ganun level. Okay? At libre. Okay, kaya medyo, 'di ba? Marami talaga. We are growing insanely fast kasi number one, our traders are track recorded. Alam natin na kumikita ng 7 figures talaga every single month. Okay? Alam natin 'yan. And then syempre, we are giving it out for free. Okay? Siphon. So, ito yung mga apps natin naman. So, aside from courses, syempre may mga apps tayo to help you become more successful. Ito, Siphon AI, this is an automated trading AI. Hindi to yung parang 50%, 30% a month. Guys, ito yung something that you do once you have capital. Okay, may capital ka na. This will be just doing 3 to 4%. Ito full 5-year track record. 5-year track record, 3 losing months, 2 break even. It averages about 4.7% a month, right? Ako, parang 3 to 4%, okay na ako. 'Di ba? It has $5 million in balance. Okay, 5 million. Hindi cent account, okay? Hindi pesos, 5 million. Okay, in USD. So, the level in skill that we're talking here is a bit different. There's $100 million attached to it. It's a hedge fund software, essentially, that you can follow. Set and forget lang to. Right? It's not crazy na 10%, 20% a month, right? Hindi siya high risk ganon. This is simply a steady compounding AI. Okay? Zonar. So Zonar, ito one of our best apps din na ginagamit talaga ng mga tao. It's an indicator that will give you an entry, a buy signal, stop loss, full on TP, right? Ano ba to? Tanggal. Ayan. So imagine mo kung nag-sonar ka dito, paldo ka na. Okay? So imagine, look at this. Full on sniper talaga. Kung nag-sonar ka, ayan. 'Di ba? Um, tagus ka pa sa TP3. So this is something that you can use. Again, this is something that you use as a confluence lang, ha. Hindi to completely 100% na accurate. Walang ganun sa forex space. Kung meron, bilyonaryo na tayo lahat. Okay. Pero this is something that is, ayan, again, kung nag-entry ka dito, ayan, tagus ka na sa TP3. So this is a tool that you can use to help you in your learning process para mas mabilis kang matuto, mas maintindihan mo yung charting system. And then syempre, nakita nyo naman. Okay, tingnan natin sa wins and progress. Effective ba to? Okay, tingnan natin to. Ito, Zonar to. Sonar buy signal. 300. Ayan. Sonar. May 3 trades this week using Sonar. Okay? Ayan. So, Zonar, TP1 hit. Sonar, 10K. Ito, I wanna share with you guys actually. Share ko sa inyo to. Ito kasi, one of our coaches, ito sa bahay ko to mismo, ako yung nag-video nito, ah. Tingnan nyo. The bank once you make some money. Let's freaking $17,000. Kaka-trade niya lang as in, parang 2 hours ago using a Zonar entry, a Zonar signal. Ayan, withdrawal, hindi screenshot, ha. Withdrawal to.
Grabe.
$17,000. Diba? Using our Sonar indicator. And alam ko si Coach Lee, the day that nag-enter siya sa Primeverse, tinry niya yung Sonar, may nahuli agad siya na trade just looking at Sonar. So, imagine, tinatanong ako ni Coach Lee kung paano ba gamitin tong Sonar. Sabi ko, entry ka lang pag sinabing entry. So, nag-entry kami sabay. So, nag-entry din ako. Ayan, o di profit tayo. From Sonar again. So, sinong excited dyan sa Sonar? Who wants to use Sonar din para mabilis kayong matuto? Yung TP hit din. Ayan, sino? Let's go. So, version 2 of Sonar is actually coming out as well. So, mas improve pa. Imagine nyo, ang dami nang pumapaldo pagdating sa profits. What more yung version 2? Okay, intayin nyo na lang. Version 2 will actually email you, parang ino-notify ka pag merong mga entry zones na na-form. Okay, so para ready ka at all times sa mga trading mo. So, excited ako doon actually kasi even ako talaga napapatrade ako with Sonar. So, again, those are all tools na designed para to help you become more successful and even more so tong trading journal. So, tong trading journal, so for example, ito kasi, one of my big belief is that mahirap mag-improve kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung metrics mo, hindi mo natatrack yung mga entries mo, hindi mo natatrack kung ano yung progress mo, mahirap talaga mag-improve. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Type yes. You cannot improve what you don't track. Okay, agree ba tayo doon? So, sinong familiar sa TradeSella? May mga familiar ba dito sa TradeSella? Eto, bigyan ko kayo ng idea. TradeSella.
Me. Ganda niyan, coach.
Yeah, TradeSella is probably siguro top tracking talaga software when it comes to trading. Ito gamit na gamit to ng mga pros talaga. Pero ito lang 'yan. $30 a month, 49 USD a month. Okay? So, some people syempre may bayad, mahal, kaso mahal, 'di ba? Sino dito gusto mag-journal pero namamahalan sa TradeSella? Kasi ito 'yan. 'Di ba? May subscription ka na number one sa TradingView. Syempre, may mga tools ka na mga necessary din. Obviously, hindi naman kailangan ng TradingView subscription. Pero syempre, if you wanna enhance trading or kailangan mo ng extra features, Usually, magsusubscribe ka talaga sa TradingView. Tapos, meron ka pang kailangan na subscribean sa Tradesela. 'Di ba? Parang mamimili ka na lang, TradingView ba o Tradesela? So, that's why we created something along the lines of Tradesela. This is called Oracle. Okay? Again, 100% free. This is exactly or it performs the same way as Tradesela does. Okay? You can track, i-connect mo lang yung MT4, MT5 mo. Itatrack niya automatically yung mga trades mo as well. And you can journal every single entry. Okay, let's say nag-entry ka, USD ka, check mo, ito pala yung entry na yun. Makikita mo saan ka nag-entry, saan ka nag-exit. Tingnan mo naman, ganda actually ito. So, since magandang trade to, nice trade, I followed my plan. So, pwede kang mag-journal, pwede kang you can tag it as well. SMC strategy ba to? Breakout strategy, supply and demand. You can see time. 'Di ba? So, eto, dashboard mo, full on dashboard. Makikita mo anong returns mo per week, per month, calendar-wise. So, for example, ito calendar. Ayan, calendar view. Para ma-check mo siya, all time natin. Ayan, ma-check mo all time. Yan, daily win rate. Okay, profit mo every single month. Ayun. Pamute na lang, guys. Okay, so Oracle, ito personally one of my favorite tools kasi it's a must for a lot of traders. Okay, so guys, we're nearing the end, okay? Pero madami pa, pero ito. Traverse. Okay, so this is one of my favorite din na platform. This is one of our three we have 8 resorts na usually would cost you about $500 to $700 a day. Okay? Room pa lang, room rate pa lang, plus $100 to $200 all-inclusive na food and drinks every single day. Pero ito 4-star, 5-star hotel, mga resort to. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalaki yung mga gentong resort. Ito, buong resort to. Ito, buong picture na to. Ayan, resort. Ito yung part ng resort siya. So, these are all massive resorts around the world. Sa Ibiza, sa Spain, and then syempre may mga travel, iba pa tayong mga travel incentive. We have a 6-figure membership dito in a way na we can actually sponsor yung room fee. So, yung $500 to $700 a day na room fee, we can waive it for you guys. All you have to pay is yung food and drinks every single day na nandito kayo. You can stay here as long as you want as a VIP guest. Okay? Hindi normal, VIP guest. Okay? So, sino excited mag-travel dyan? So, imagine, kumita ka sa profits, kumita ka sa trading, tapos, syempre, gusto mo mag-relax, you can use any of the 8 resorts that we have globally. Diba? To stay for free. Okay? Cover mo na lang yung food and drinks at saka flight mo, syempre. 'Di ba? Pwedeng-pwede na. Tingnan niyo naman yung mga quality ng resorts na to. We took our whole team dito sa River Maya. Sa Mexico, sobrang ganda. Okay, kita niyo naman ang ganda. Pero syempre, maganda pa rin Pilipinas. um, but syempre, meron tayong mga other aspects din. Kasi hindi lang trading, di ba? We have financial planning, social media. Social media, guys, yung social media na trainer natin dito, they are actually Mexican celebrities. Meron silang 20 million followers across social media. And they usually charge $2,000 para makagamit ng course nila. 2,000 US dollars. Okay? Mga 100,000 plus something pesos ata yun or something. Imagine, $2,000 tong maliit na section pa lang na to. Okay? Value-wise. What more lahat to? Okay, yung mga nagtuturo sa'yo, 7-figure a month earner, 'di ba? Right now, yung nagpe-present. So, okay, value-wise, okay, kamusta naman tayo dyan? 'Di ba? Type value kung may nakikita. Kung nakita nyo kung gaano kagrabe yung value na meron dito inside of Primeverse. Okay? Type value naman dyan. Kasi imagine guys, ito, Team Canada, fitness course, okay, sa mga gustong sumexy at saka gusto magpalaki ng katawan dyan. Okay. Ito mismo, si Colby, nag-train siya ng mga athletes from Team Canada. Okay, hindi tayo kumukuha ng mga sakto lang na trainer. Hindi tayo kumukuha ng mga mediocre na coaches, trainers, traders, balik alindog program, ayan. Hindi tayo, there's no such thing as mediocre when it comes to Primeverse. So, hopefully, ayan, so wala tayong mediocre na anything, right? From our signals, from our courses, from our traders, right? We wanted to give the best to people at an even better price. Okay? Of free. Okay, so sa lahat ng wala akong ipe-present na any prices sa inyo. There's no such thing. Okay? So I'm sure nag-wonder kayo, how do we make this happen? Kasi guys, we spent multiple six figures to build Primeverse in dollars, okay? Hindi pesos. Pero how can we make something like this happen? Number one, it's through the partnership of our broker PE Prime, which is I'm the regional manager of. Um, the broker actually sponsor your ticket inside. So all you have to do, and ito, igagate ko ni Coach Lee more on this, is syempre, use our partner broker. That way, we can obviously keep the education, the Primeverse, mga tools, mga services natin going for you guys. And at the end of the day, 'di ba, kayo yung magbe-benefit kasi you can become part of an environment na syempre, na hindi lang ikaw yung natututo, may community ka, syempre may mga tools and services ka na pwede mong i-leverage so you can go from beginner to someone who might be profitable in the next 90 days. Just following through our signals, through our education, through our live sessions. Kasi guys, posible. Okay? Posible. I've seen it happen. Na syempre, continued education to. I've seen it happen, but of course, uh, ito lang, quick analogy lang before I end. The most important thing when you're wanting to grow a plant, it's not the quality of the seed, pero the quality of the soil that you plant it in. Tama ba? Kasi kahit gaano kaganda yung seed mo, i-plant mo yan sa desierto, ma-deads din yan. Okay, mamatay din yan. Hindi din tutubo na maayos yan. So that's why Primeverse is that healthy soil for someone like you guys, ikaw, lahat ng mga tao na nandito, to improve or to grow within. Right? So that's why we created Primeverse. Guys, hindi ko naman kayo pwedeng pwersahin na mag-aral araw-araw ng trading. Hindi ko naman kayo kayang pwersahin na na everyday ka magcha-charting, everyday ka attend ng live session, pa-follow ng signals. But what I can give you guys is the best environment where you can, if you do take action, have the possibility to actually gain freedom. Okay, kasi yun naman yung gusto ng lahat, is to actually gain financial freedom. Tama ba? O ano ba, mali ba yung ano? Okay, type freedom naman dyan kung gusto nyo talaga. Yung ba yung goal natin is to achieve freedom? And guys, numbers don't lie. I told you guys, we've done over $500 million pesos in withdrawals from our team. 11 months, 10 months pa lang sa ng taon. Imagine what we'll do in the next 12 months with Primeverse being here. Okay, so guys, I'm excited to welcome you guys inside the Primeverse. Coach Lee, thank you for inviting me here. I'm looking forward. I'll be in December. December, guys, I will be in Philippines. January, we will launch a Primeverse event. Hopefully, you guys are there. We are bringing in multiple seven-figure traders during that, and I'll be there as well personally. Thank you, guys.
All right, thank you so much, Andrew. So, mag-thank you naman tayo. Mag-thank you naman tayo sa chat box. Ayan. So, can we take a picture muna, bro? Before you go?
Yes, yes.
Ayan. I know it's too early for you, pero pinagbigyan mo pa rin yung team natin. So, we're very, very grateful. So, yung mga kaya mag-open up ng camera, guys, no? So, this is a historic moment. Ayan. Na nakasama kayo sa first 100. Yan. Sinadya ko talaga yan. Meron tayong 500 participants sa Zoom, pero sinadya ko talaga yan para I can see, no, na you guys are committed in learning and committed sa team natin. Yan. And ayan, so thank you sa mga nag-open up ng camera. Ayan, so let's take a picture. Ayan, so habol pa ba? Habol pa ba? Pa-picture tayo kay poging-poging Andrew. Yeah, so sa mga nasa Canada, US, yan, Spain, sobrang laki ng grupo niya dyan. So, okay, so let's take a picture, guys. Yan, okay, grabe. Full yung screen natin, no? Okay, so let's go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, thank you so much. So, one last announcement that I want to make And again, thank you so much, Andrew, for your time. And all right. So sino dito? Okay, so gusto ko lang malaman pala, no? So sino dito yung feeling mo sobrang sulit talaga? Yan, sulit ba? Sulit ba talaga yung prime verse? Okay. So, yan. So, ewan ko na lang. Ayan. Ewan ko na lang kung di pa kayo matuto niyan. Diba? So, ewan ko na lang kung di pa tayo maging profitable niyan. Okay? So, these things na binibigay natin, no, for our community, so for our quantum traders, ay syempre ang requirement lang niyan is for you to be connected, okay, sa ating team, okay, sa ating broker, which is PU Prime. And sa mga nagtatanong, do we still have the VIP? Yes. Okay, so meron pa rin tayong VIP service because meron pang mga other services yan na pwede pa rin tayong mai-provide, okay, sa team natin, and for you to gain access to other coaches pa din, okay, dito sa Philippine space. Yan. So if you're kung gusto mo ng more details about that, i-message mo lang ako, okay? Now, for our biggest announcement, sino dito yung mga taga Manila? Yan. Mga taga Manila. Yan. So, type me. Mga Manila, malapit lang sa Manila, Bulacan, um, Cavite. Yan, okay. So, meron akong good news sa inyo. Yan. So, very, very good news. Okay, so we will have our launching. Yan. So our launching of Quantum Prime Verse, which will be the first ever event of Prime Verse here in the Philippines. So magla-launch tayo on November 22. Okay? So limited lang talaga yung seats na to. So 100 lang din yung pwedeng pumunta doon. And right now, meron nang nagpa-reserve, okay, as early as now, which is 40 people. Okay? So, we're guessing na talagang mapupuno talaga natin yung venue at baka lumagpas pa. Okay? At magbayad pa tayo ng extra fee. But, I want you to make sure na nandun ka sa event na yon. So, ano yung expectations mo for that event is magkakaroon tayo ng face-to-face, yan, na forex training. Makakapagtanong ka talaga. So we will have pro traders, okay, na nagtitrade na for so many years na magtuturo sa iyo doon face to face from the setting up of the account up until sa actual trading. Okay, gagawin din natin dun sa event na yon. Okay? So excited na ba kayo? Excited na ba kayo doon? All right. So mark your calendars. It will be on November 22. Okay, around Manila lang yan. So, we're just finalizing the venue. Pero make sure na nasa GC ka, okay, ng ating team for you to be updated sa mga mangyayari. Okay? So, kung wala ka pa sa ating Facebook na main GC, okay? So, that's called Quantum Main GC. Kung wala ka pa doon, I will post the link right now sa ating chat box. And make sure mo na nandito ka sa ating, kasi nandito lahat ng announcement. Okay? So, it's a messenger group. Send kayo ng request dyan para ma-approve ko. Okay? So, bawal po yung mga fake profiles. Okay? Mga bagong gawa lang na Facebook, hindi natin inaano yan. Kasi baka mga scammer. Ayan. So, hindi daw sila masaya kasi baka nasa malayong lugar. Pero okay lang yan. Yan. So, magkakaroon din tayo ng iba't iba pang ay, mga event. Yan. Pero, I would encourage everyone kahit yung mga nasa ibang bansa. Yan. Kung meron kayong kamag-anak dito, gusto yung matuto sila ng forex trading, at gusto nyo din na magbago yung buhay nila and they will have the opportunity to learn forex trading only from the best and the best community in the Philippines. Yan. And also, may isa pa akong good news sa inyo. Ayan. Type good news nga. grabe, daming good news ngayon, no? Tama. So, it's a Sunday night and yet sobrang daming good news yan. So, another good news is if ever yan, na you will share, okay? Sige, type muna kayo. Type muna kayo ng good news. Yan. So, sa mga taong mag-share, yan, and will bring 2 more people sa ating face-to-face event on November 22, you will be entitled sa ating raffle. Ayan, okay? So, ano kayong papa-raffle natin? Grabe, exciting. Diba? Pumunta ka na nga doon ng libre. Tapos may pa-raffle pa. Okay ba yan? Ay, nasabi ko palang libre. Okay ba yun na libre siya? Are you guys happy? And type happy nga kung happy ka na libre yung event natin. So it's November 22. Alam ko libre 'yan. Okay? Pero okay lang ba kapag nagpa-reserve ka niyan ay pupunta ka talaga? Ayan. So type mo diyan, I'm committed. Ayan. Pag ikaw nagpa-reserve doon sa link na isi-send namin sa GC, make sure mo na pumunta ka talaga. Okay? Kasi sayang yun. Sana binigay na namin sa iba. 'Di ba? But if you bring 2 more friends, kasali ka sa raffle. Okay ba yun? So, okay ba na maghanap ka ng mga classmate mo? Yan. Maghanap ka ng mga makakasama mo dito sa Forex trading. Okay? So, kita-kits tayo doon sa event natin na yon. And we will have another launching kasi ang daming nag-chat sa akin ngayon na hindi sila nakapasok sa ating Zoom. Okay? So, umiiyak na sila kasi inunahan nyo sila sa spot na So, marami umiiyak ngayon na hindi nakapasok dito sa Zoom. So, we will have another launching. Okay, so sometime this week i-announce ko na lang dun sa GC. But make sure, okay, na nandun ka talaga sa GC. Okay? Kasi dun ko isi-send kung paano ka makakasali sa Primeverse. Yan. Okay, so ang ganda ng Primeverse, nakita mo na siya, na-excite ka na. But the question is, yan, paano ka makakapasok dyan? Yan. So, meron tayo dyan na separate group chat. Okay, magkakaroon din tayo dyan ng group chat inside the Primeverse. Meron tayong sariling application, sariling app. And everything na diniscuss kanina ni Andrew will be there. At ang good news ko sa inyo, another good news. Grabe. Diba? So, type nyo super good news. Hanabaan natin para medyo mahirap. Okay. Type super good news. Dami namang good news. Diba? Diba? Grabe. Super, super good news. Okay. Meron lang naman tayong 100% deposit bonus. Nabulol na ako. Sa ating PU Prime account. Yan. So, para sa mga magsa-sign up, okay, for you to get access sa ating Primeverse, you need to have a PU Prime account under our link. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung naka-PU Prime ka pero hindi ka naman part ng Quantum Traders, wala ka pa rin Primeverse. Okay ba yan? Yan. So, this is an exclusive deal, okay, sa atin, and you need to be connected with our team. Yan. So, mag-stick kasi kayo sa mga team na, payaman. Team payaman. Diba? So, yun yung good news ko sa inyo. So we have 100% deposit bonus. Ibig sabihin, if you deposit $500, it will be $1,000 na pwede mong i-trade. Okay? So, yan ang pinaka maganda dyan. Alright? So, sa mga nagtatanong, ang dami nagtatanong, paulit-ulit na kayo guys. Ayan. Babatuhin ko na kayo mamaya. Okay, kung libre ba ang Primeverse? Yes, libre. Okay, libreng-libre. Gusto nyo ba na i-charge namin kayo? Kasi pwede naman. Diba? So, pwede naman. Pero libre po yung Primeverse. So, you just need to be connected with our broker account. Okay? So, sa lahat ng wala pa sa GC, okay, make sure na nakapag-send out ka ng approval ngayon. And I'll see you there. Okay? So, thank you so much sa lahat po ng mga sumali ngayon sa ating lahat ng details guys isi-send ko sa GC. So, alam ko na marami kayong tanong. Yan. And so message the person who invited you. Yan, para sa mga susunod na details. And nire-ready lang natin. Okay, lahat ng mga links. Excited na kayo, di ba? Saan po makikita ang link? Nandun po sa GC. Okay, so isi-send ko ngayon. Okay, I will send all the links right now para makapag-start na kayo, guys. And I know you guys are very, very much excited kasi kahit weekend, meron tayong trade signals doon sa Zonar. Okay, so lahat ng nakita kong BTC na trades doon this weekend ay pumaldo. Okay? So, ayos ba? So, ilalagay ko ulit, natabunan na yata, tinabunan nyo na guys, yung ating link sa GC. So, I'll send it right now. So, please copy. Please copy it now kasi i-close ko na yung Zoom. Kasi gabi na. Magsitulog na tayo. Yan. Coach, ba't ang hirap paniwalaan? Yun talaga guys eh. 'Di ba? Solid ba? So ako ang ano ko lang, okay lang ba maglambing? Yan, type mo lambing nga, lambing. Okay lang ba maglambing ako? Baka pwede maglambing. Okay. Sa inyo na lang maglalambing. Okay. Sa inyo na lang maglalambing, guys, ha? Walang lambing eh. Okay. So, okay lang ba maglambing? Yan. Pwede ba na i-goal natin na yung group chat natin ay mag 1,000? Okay lang ba yun? Okay lang ba na yung link natin sa group chat, okay, ay share ninyo sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ninyo because they also deserve to hear this good news. Tama, mali? Diba? So they also deserve to know that we have this type of community. Okay, now we really want to improve our services and nakafocus talaga tayo sa kung paano ka magiging profitable na trader. Okay, so we always wanna give value. So ako, ang lambing ko lang sa inyo, you keep on sharing and sharing yung GC natin. Mapuno natin yung GC. Actually, wala yatang limit yun. Okay, pero gusto ko makita siya na we will reach 1,000 active. Okay, na nag-chat doon. Okay, and nagpapalitan doon ng mga ideas. Okay? So, lahat ng friends niyo, lahat ng Facebook friends niyo, if you have 3,000, 5,000 friends, so send to them yung link ng ating GC so that they can also take advantage of our Primeverse. Okay? So, again, good night everyone and I'm very, very much excited for this new partnership natin. Message nyo ako pag may mga tanong kayo. Okay? Good night, and I hope na we have given very, very good value sa inyo. Hindi na kami natutulog ni Andrew. Tama ba, Andrew? Lalo si Andrew hindi natutulog yan.
Walang ganon.
What is tulog? What is sleep? Yan. So, lastly, pala, no, bago ako mag-good night. Okay. For those people who also want to build a team in their community, for example, you feel that you can also lead a team and you want to start a community in your area. For example, like taga Bulacan ka, taga Mindanao ka, taga Zamboanga ka, or wherever. Okay. Message me, approach me so that I can teach you and I can help you grow as a leader in your community. Okay? So, chat me guys. Bye-bye.